Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I'm gonna just create and as usual just kind of put some music on and do that because that way I can kind of get my creative juices flowing a little bit. But I wanted to explain the purpose of this video, and I really kind of want to get into more abstract stuff as well. I love traditional acrylic painting, acrylic pouring, resin art, you name it. I love to do it, and I really have wanted to try more abstracts. So I'm just going to have a little fun. I've taken a few courses online, just watching different abstract painters, just trying to get some ideas, and so this is what you're going to watch me do. And I want to say a big shout out to Arteza. I've got a gouache bundle package, and what comes with it is 60 colors, 2 pads of paper, watercolor paper, and there's a smooth side and a textured side in each page. And I may split these in half and just do smaller pieces and do a series of them. I don't know. I may do one big one and then go smaller, or go small and then big. Who knows? You'll get to watch me do it. But it also has some paintbrushes and little tiny ones, which are nice to have around for really small detail. And I've got a few stencils that I may or may not use. I've got a bunch of brushes. This is my little, it's actually a small heat gun tool for resin, but it blows out some warm air and it's great for drawing things on a smaller scale. And I have, these are China markers, which are like a waxy kind of pencil in different colors. I've got charcoal, white pencils, white paint pen. I've got a palette knife, and a little sponge roller. I've got a toothpick in case I want to scrape something out. Who knows? I'm just going to have fun. So you can sit and watch. But first I wanted to tell you, what is gouache? Or the question was asked, is gouache paint the same as acrylic? Traditional gouache is an opaque water paint which has a matte finish when dry. Opaque means not transparent. So it is not supposed to be transparent. And then matte means there's no sheen, totally flat. It doesn't have any sheen to it when it dries. And it's comparable to watercolor, but it's got more pigment and a little bit of a binder in it that's different from watercolors. That's what's kind of the difference between those. And they're a really good paint to learn how to paint with if you're a beginner too. But a lot of artists that have been painting for years will mix gouache in with their paintings with oils and acrylics and markers and mark making, and they'll just put it all together in one painting, which makes it really cool. So I wanted to tell you what gouache was, just in case you wondered. And I'm gonna put my music on and get busy painting. Okay, so I'm finished with these cookie ones. They were fun to do. You know, child's play, just having fun. Using some basic colors: yellow ochre, burnt sienna, saffron orange, which was a really kind of bright yellow orange. Just a hint of and these little coloring, they're Stabilo woody crayons. And they put the really bright blues on there and the white and black. So, here they are. Just funky. And of course, you know, you could put them any direction you wanted to. But they'll be cool framed, each on their own, and they are 6x9s. They could be in a 5x7 frame, and you just take the best part of what you like, you know. But anyway, and the thing with gouache is it feels very rough. You can hear the texture. I did put gesso down first. I used a Liquitex Basics gesso on the paper just to give it a little tooth. So yeah, it's very chalky and kind of, you know, scratchy sounding. So these would probably have to be sprayed with a fixative for pastels and pencils and that kind of thing, just to help seal it in to where things wouldn't move around. But I had a lot of fun with it. I'm gonna stop this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, this was just a parchment paper that I used to put my colors on. But I'm gonna end this video, and I'm gonna do one 9x12 and some bright colors just for fun. And I'll start that on a new video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Check out the Arteza Gouache collection. They've got the whole bundle, or you can buy them separately. But the bundle comes with 2 watercolor pads and a whole set of brushes. So it has, again, 60 colors. So quite the arrangement. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out all the links below the video where it says show more on your laptop or the down arrow on your mobile device. If you are a subscriber, make sure to click on the bell in the bottom right to get notifications when I post new videos. I'll continue to post acrylic pours and other things. This is just something I wanted to try out. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.